You could call on me. You could fall on me. And if you want to, tell me what you gon' do. You could put it all on me. Speed it, 90 and 65. Got the keys and didn't tell them right. Just hit the road. When you need me, relax and get in my way. I'm flying down the interstate. Just know, when you can't go through, when life's hard on you, no, it ain't no thing, you know what I'll do. You could call on me, you could fall on me, and if you want to, tell me what you gon' do, you could put it all on me. You could count me 1, 2, 3, make it easy for you, ABC. If you want to, tell me what you gon' do, you could put it all on me. I walk in, help me get up off that floor. You ain't gotta be alone no more. Just know, when you can't go through, when life's hard on you, ain't no thing, you know what to do. You could call on me, you could fall on me, and if you want to, tell me what you gon' do, you could put it all on me. You could count me 1, 2, 3, make it easy for you, ABC. And if you want to, tell me what you gon' do, you could put it all on me. Yeah, put it on me. Yeah, put it on me. If you want to, tell me what you gon' do, you could put it all on me. 'Cause when you can't pull through, when life's hard on you, you can trust me, baby. Put it all on. You could call on me. You could fall on me. And if you want to, tell me what you gon' do. You could put it all on me. You could count me 1, 2, 3, make it easy for you, ABC. If you want to, tell me what you gon' do. You could put it all on me. Yeah, put it on me. Yeah, put it on me. And if you want to, tell me what you gon' do. And put it on me.
Hey, so just going to go through the tutorial for On Me. It is a 32 count line dance with 4 walls, and we have a restart on the second wall. Okay, but if you're brand new to it, don't worry, just follow along. Okay, so I'm going to face away from you so you can do it with me. Okay, so it starts with stepping to the right. You step right together, and then we're going to what we call a shuffle step forward on the right. So we go shuffle forward, and then we go to the left, step together, and then we shuffle back left. So that's what I call a box step. Okay, so that's your first 8 counts. And then from here, my weight is on my left leg, so I'm going to step back, rock, and then recover, and then shuffle forward right. And okay, and then we're going to do it on the left leg. So we go forward, recover, and then we shuffle back on the left, shuffle back. From there, we're going to step to the side, to the right side. We weight shift, and then recover, and then we go behind and cross, or it's what we call a vine step in line dancing. And then we go out to the side, so we do the same thing on the left. So it's left out, weight shift, recover, behind and cross. Okay, we're on the last section of the dance. We just do a point to the right, so the weight's still on the left leg. We do a little quarter turn and put the weight on the right leg. And then I'm going to point with my left, and then I bring my feet together. Then it's a big step forward on the right, and left comes into join. Weight on the left now, and I'm stepping back on the right. Okay, so in the video you saw us pushing with our arms and that, and you can add that in, but just sort of get used to doing it. So that's the whole dance, and then we're going to go through with the counts, okay? So I'm just going to go through with the counts. So there's 4 sections. The first section of 8 counts starting on the right leg, going to do the box. It's the box step. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second 8 is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through the bit of the restart. So we've just done this one wall here, and we're coming to the second wall, which is what we call 3 o'clock. So this is 12, 3, 6 is that way, and 9 is that way. Okay, so we're on the 3 o'clock wall, and this is our second wall. So I just do it from the start with the counts. We only go halfway through the dance and then we restart. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you can do the rest. So that's the only restart in the whole dance. And I hope you enjoy it and get your whole family in there and do it. Yeah, thanks. See ya.